Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are fine, and I will teach you for maths for the fifth class. Okay, today we are doing the chapter number 6 factors and multiples. So, this is my first video on this chapter. Okay, now we will understand what is factor. If two counting numbers are multiplied together, then each one of these number is called a factor of that product. Like we have a, if we multiply 7 and 9, so 7 nines are 63. So 7 and 9 are the two factor of this product. Okay. Now divide the factor of dividend. If we divide 63 by 7, we will get the 9. Then 7 and 9 will be the factor of this number. Okay. Now we have to write the factor of these numbers. We have a 16 and we have to write the table factor of 16. So I will learn the table. Then 16 will come in which table. Okay, first we will know that 16 is comes in between the 16 table and in also the 1 table of 1, and in also the table of 2 and table of 8 also, and table of 4. That's it. So there are factors of 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are the factors of 16. Now we have to write the factor of 17. As we know that 17 will come in only the 1 and 17 table. So there are only two factors of 17. So factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Now we have to write the factors of 28. First, if we multiply 28 by 1, we will get the 28. So there are two factors of 28 here. Now if we multiply 2 by 14, we will get the 28. So there is two factor more, 2 and 14. Now if we multiply this number 7 multiplied by 4, so this is also become the table of so 7 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 28. So these are two more table of 28. So there are table of factors of 28 are 1, 2, 7, 4 and 14, and last one is 28. So these are the factors of 28. Okay, now I have to write the table of 32. First I will write 1 multiplied by 32, that is equal to 32. So there are two factor of 32. Now if we write 2 multiplied by 16, that is equal to 32. So there are two more factors of 32. If we multiply 8 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 32. Okay, so there are factors of 32 is equal to 1, 2, 8, 4, 16 and 32. Okay, so these are the factors of 32. Now always there are 2 points you have to keep in your mind always. Every number has at least two factor, one and the number itself. Okay, like I have done this question for you, 17. So there is two factor of 17. So every number has two factors. Okay, one and the number itself. Okay, now all the factor of a number are either less than or equal to the number. Here I have find the factors of the 16. So there is the factor which is less than the 16 and equal to the 16, not more than the 16, right? Now there are two types of number, prime number and composite number. Prime number, a number is any natural number which has exactly two factors, one and the number itself. Okay, like this is a example for this. If we find the factor of 17, there are only two factor, one and the number itself. So this is the prime number. Okay, Now I have the another example 13. So there are two factors only, 1 and 13. So this is also the prime number. Okay. Now composite number, every natural number except has one, the one that has more than two different factors is called a composite number. That means if we find the factor of the number like 16. Okay, so there are the factor except one, there are more than the factor of 2. Okay, so this is the composite number. Okay, and the next important point, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Okay, now I have a homework for you. This is the activity for you which you have to do in on the cardboard. Okay, first you will write the number 1 to 100, then you have to cross the number which are composite number. Okay, and you have to circle the number which are prime numbers, and you have to use the different color pencil to mark one, because this is neither the prime number nor the composite number. Okay, so you have to do this activity in your on the cardboard, and you have to paste it in the copy. Okay, so these are the steps that you have to follow for this activity. Okay, thank you.